Are you looking for the best crawl space dehumidifiers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best crawl space dehumidifiers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. ALORAIR 120 PPD Dehumidifier. The ALORAIR 120 PPD commercial dehumidifier is a compact and efficient unit designed for crawl spaces, basements, and commercial environments. It can remove up to 120 pints of moisture per day at saturation, 55 ppd at AHAM conditions, and covers areas up to 1,300 square feet with a 130 cfm airflow and an operating temperature range of 33.8 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. It uses R410A refrigerant and a MERV8 filter to maintain optimal air quality. The dehumidifier features auto defrost to prevent coil freezing, memory restart after power outages, and dual drainage options, including a gravity drain or built-in condensate pump with a 19.6 feet lifting distance. Compact and lightweight at 19.2 inches by 12.2 inches by 13.3 inches and 57.3 pounds, it operates quietly below 52 dBA and is CETL listed, with a 5-year limited warranty. Ideal for residential and commercial moisture control, it effectively protects crawl spaces, basements, storage areas, garages, and other commercial spaces from excess humidity. Number 2. TOSOT 50 Pint Dehumidifier. The TOSOT 50 Pint 4,500 square foot dehumidifier is an Energy Star certified appliance designed to efficiently remove excess moisture from large spaces such as basements, bedrooms, bathrooms, and other areas up to 4,500 square feet. It extracts up to 50 pints of moisture per day under the 2019 DOE standard, equivalent to 70 pints under the 2012 standard, and features a built-in pump for continuous drainage without manual emptying. The unit includes an intelligent touch control panel with a visual water line indicator, automatic defrost to prevent frost buildup, and operates quietly, making it suitable for both residential and commercial use. Its compact design, measuring 13.7 by 10.6 by 21.9 inches and weighing approximately 45 pounds, allows easy placement in various locations. Ideal for maintaining optimal humidity, preventing mold growth, and improving air quality, this dehumidifier combines efficient performance with user-friendly features for reliable moisture control. Number 3. Dri-Eaz Revolution Dehumidifier. The Dri-Eaz Revolution LGR Commercial Dehumidifier, Model F413, is a compact, high-performance unit designed for restoration and commercial applications. It removes up to 80 pints of moisture per day under AHAM conditions and up to 139 pints per day in saturated conditions, making it ideal for crawl spaces, basements, and other challenging environments. Equipped with a built-in condensate pump for continuous drainage, the dehumidifier features a rugged rotomolded polyethylene housing for durability and a digital control panel that displays real-time temperature and relative humidity. Measuring 12.5-inch WX 17.6, HX 21.5 D and weighing approximately 65 pounds, it is portable and easy to place in confined spaces. The unit also offers Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity via the Dri-Eaz Command Hub, enabling remote operation and monitoring through the Dri-Eaz Command Center Pro app. Its combination of compact design, powerful performance, and user-friendly features makes it a reliable solution for efficient moisture control in both residential and commercial settings. Number 4. ALORAIR Crawl Space Dehumidifiers. The ALORAIR 120 PPD Crawl Space Dehumidifier is a compact yet powerful solution designed to efficiently remove excess moisture in spaces up to 1,300 square feet, such as crawl spaces, basements, and commercial areas. It boasts a moisture removal capacity of 120 pints per day at saturation and 55 pints per day under AHAM conditions, ensuring effective humidity control in various environments. The unit operates within a temperature range of 33.8 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit and features a MERV8 filter to maintain air quality. Its compact dimensions, 19.2 inches by 12.2 inches by 13.3 inches, and lightweight design, 57.3 pounds, facilitate easy installation and mobility. The dehumidifier offers dual drainage options, gravity drainage and a built-in condensate pump capable of lifting water up to 19.6 feet, providing flexibility in installation. Additionally, it includes an auto-defrost function to prevent coil freezing and a memory restart feature that resumes operation after power outages. Certified by CETL and Energy Star, the ALORAIR 120 PPD Dehumidifier combines efficiency, durability, and user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for maintaining optimal humidity levels in challenging spaces. Number 5. AprilAire E070 Pro. The AprilAire E070 Pro 70 pint crawl space dehumidifier is a high-performance, commercial-grade unit designed to control moisture in crawl spaces, basements, or whole homes up to 2,200 square feet. Capable of removing up to 70 pints, about 9 gallons, of moisture per day, it effectively prevents mold, mildew, wood rot, and musty odors, making it ideal for maintaining healthy indoor air. The E070 Pro features a durable, corrosion-resistant aluminum coil, a built-in digital control panel, and a washable MERV 8 filter that traps dust and airborne particles. Its compact design, roughly 25-inch long, 12.5 wide, and 12.5 high, allows easy installation in tight crawl spaces, while the included 3/4-inch drain hose provides continuous gravity drainage, eliminating the need for manual emptying. With an airflow capacity of about 200 cfm and an energy-efficient operation that automatically cycles based on humidity levels, it maintains consistent moisture control with minimal energy waste. Backed by a 5-year warranty and engineered for reliability, the AprilAire E070 Pro offers long-lasting protection against excess humidity, ensuring a comfortable and healthy environment throughout your home.